I just went to say good morning and the cow started mooing. I hope you're doing well. I have no idea what day number this is of the renovation. I know it's pretty close to being finished, and I will do a full house tour really soon. Might leave my son's room out, but if you know that story. But yeah, so, and I was going to do some before and after videos too, so yeah. But this is like the start of the kitchen extractor fan getting done. Obviously the ceiling hasn't been painted yet. I was making some DIY artwork yesterday, so I had this black frame, so I painted it with chalk paint, got some card and picked some lavender out of the garden and went to put the glass in and put too much pressure on the back and it just cracked. So I'm going to go and in the next few days get some more glass cut for that. And that board there is mirror number 2 of this one. Let me explain. So the mirror in this second mirror, the mirror had broken years ago, and one of my children had spray painted the frame black and used it as a notice board. So I'm going to make it back to a mirror. So I've just given it a couple of coats of chalk paint. You can kind of see the black coming through, which doesn't worry me. And I'm going to put another applique on it. So, you know, make it look the same sort of mirror, but a different applique, and get the mirror cut for that, as I said. So yeah, that's just another fun little project. Like, there's still stuff around the house and the skip bin is still here, but we are so close to finishing, as I said, and it's just like remembering what else we want done before they leave, the builders. I just want to say that there's Captain and Boss. No, that's not what I was going to say. That the two guys who I refer to as the builders have been doing everything, like gardens, everything. Like very, very handy people, like clever people that can put their hand to anything. So, yeah, it's just been amazing. And yeah, as I said, we're on the home straight. My husband and I are going to do a few things ourselves, we've decided. Just for convenience, and like painting's kind of always easy to do. So I suppose I should have left my plants till later. But yeah, the roof has just had a few cracks in it. So we're going to paint that ourselves after it's been fixed. It's just probably hasn't been done for a long time, and get rid of the blue, all those sort of things, aren't we, boss? Clean out the pool. I think it just gets to a stage in a renovation that if you've got a time frame like we have, it's just easier if we just do the easy painting stuff. I thought I might put the reef up there. I think it will look really cool, but I've just got it down there for the moment. And here's the spare room. It's looking a lot better. My friend is going to have this in this picture that I made years ago. So I just got a bit of touch-up painting to do that. On that wall, we'll do that ourselves, and the hallway's looking a lot clearer too. Yeah, it's all coming together, guys. Okay, one of my jobs this morning was to demolish the doghouse, and that's as far as I got. And I was trying to like hammer it apart. Oh look, I could have taken those screws out. But yeah, I did that much. My husband can do the rest. Okay, we got the roof patched where it needed to be patched, so we will paint that later. The builder kindly offered to do the primer on the ceiling and the back wall. So we just have to, you know, put the next coats on, and I'm so grateful and happy to see that blue gone, guys. I know it was just like a colour, but and blue is my favourite colour, but it just wasn't a very nice shade of blue, and it had been there for a very long time, so it just looks so much more refreshed just after having the primer on it. So I will finish that, as I said, and I might actually paint these cinder blocks as well. I think they're called cinder blocks. I know these ones are, I'm not sure what they're called. We've got some cow visitors and the pool's been drained today, and it was only that little bit of water from the rain, but it's good that it's drained so we can get on with cleaning that. And it's just all these little things still to do, but in the next video I will definitely have some end results. Still waiting to get the ceiling painted in the kitchen and the extractor fan in, but we're getting there, guys. We're 95% of the way there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.